In the magical Disneyland kingdom, you can enter the world of fairy tales and cartoons. Let's take a stroll around the park and choose an activity you like. To stroll. Take a stroll. Jack and Kate visit the theme park for the first time. Wow, so many things to see. Oh, my favorite cartoon characters. Let's shake hands with them. To shake hands with cartoon characters. Where shall we go first? To ride a big wheel or to ride a roller coaster? A roller coaster, that's great. To ride a roller coaster. I think now we should see some famous landmarks. Tiny models of the world's famous buildings and monuments. Landmarks. To see famous landmarks. Tiny model. Oh, I want something exciting. Let's go on a water ride or a rocket journey. Water ride. To go on a water ride. Rocket journey. To go on a rocket journey. How about exploring a haunted mansion and meeting a ghost? Haunted mansion. To explore a haunted mansion. Ghost. To meet a ghost. Oh, maybe another time. Once I have had this scary experience. Scary. Scary experience. Look, people are eating candy floss. Let's have some. Candy floss. To eat candy floss. If you feel hungry, we can have a home-cooked meal in this cafe. Home-cooked meal. To have a home-cooked meal. Maybe a bit later. Oh, I see clowns. They are performing tricks. It's a circus. Clowns. To perform tricks. Clowns performing tricks. Do you fancy seeing trapeze artists? Trapeze artists. To see trapeze artists. Yes, I'd love to. I think it's time to go souvenir shopping to have the best travel gifts from here. Souvenir. To go souvenir shopping. Ah, we have not flown in a Peter Pan's pirate ship and seen the animal park. Pirate ship. To fly in a pirate ship. Yes, we haven't visited Cinderella's castle and the dinosaurs. How about coming back again? That would be lovely. I think next time we should plan our trip and book tickets in advance. To book tickets.